Hello, Spencer. Thank you for joining. We're going to move to a crucial area, and it's going to be the impact of AI on data management and the opportunities that it creates for organization. First question I would like to ask you regarding data preparation, since it's the cornerstone for any organization. How do you see AI accelerating this process over the next year?
Yeah, that's a very important question. So, look, at PAC, not only do we predict, but honestly, we're seeing this movement anyway, which is why it's a sensible prediction that by the end of 2025, that AI-driven data preparation will help streamline data cleaning, labeling, and enrichment. Which is easing one of the most resource intensive steps in AI deployment. For a lot of organizations, they've been wrestling with their sort of data strategy and silos of data. It's almost like a cliche to talk about it for the last 10, 20 years, but it's a true one, which is why we still talk about it. So AI, not only is data required to make AI successful, but also the AI has a role in helping data get to the right place. This is also why you're seeing companies like Databricks and Snowflake and companies like those being really successful at the moment, because it's really part of sort of helping further drive value out of things like generative AI. So we predict by the end of 2025, this type of approach will be sort of really the industry standard.
So PAC predicts a significant changes now with the AI-powered data curation. According to you, what are the tangible impacts on organization that we can expect?
Yeah, so again, sort of following on, and we talked about this a little bit in another prediction as well. So, if we look at a lot of organizations, whilst they have a lot of data, these generative AI and the newer term that organizations will keep seeing over the next year, agentic AI. So AI that's essentially fully autonomous, acting as an agent, doing some form of like human similar activity in a digital context. All of this, again, to be successful is going to require large volumes of data and training and behavior. So the role of synthetic data is going to become more important for a lot of organizations at scale. So we see that using generative AI and even agentic AI to generate synthetic data to improve data quality in real time will make it possible to train AI models faster and more effectively. And this is something that we believe will really start to grow by the end of 2025.
Yeah, thank you. And lastly, how do you think AI-enhanced data management will affect or improve the operational efficiency?
I'm a bit of a beating the drum of this message on other predictions as well, but I've come from a background of running IT services for companies as well before, so coming back to being an analyst again, and every time a new technology becomes available, the two things that we always you always look at in an organization is some kind of how to drive operational sort of efficiency and make things more efficient, as well as driving things like profitability and revenue if you're in a private type company, slightly different in public sector company. So we see that the role of AI enhancement we predict in regards to sort of data management will reduce implementation times and costs. And this will empower organizations to derive more insights and innovate more rapidly, because they have this AI engine helping them sort of prepare at scale and to train at scale their models. So it'll help for a faster time to market. So it will become a very core capability in organizations.
Spencer, thank you for sharing these today. These were very valuable insights.